Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're playing No Man's Sky and the sound isn't working, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through several solutions step by step to get your audio back. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound, then select Sound. In this window, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. Just select your device and click Set Default. Solution 2. Right-click on your audio device in the sound window. Select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure the volume isn't set too low or muted. Solution 3. In the Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Change the sample rate to 48 kHz or 44.1 kHz. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 4. Go to the Spatial Sound tab. Set it to Off. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Solution 6. In Device Manager, right-click your audio device again and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver and click Next. Once installed, restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. Sometimes audio issues are tied to GPU drivers. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest version. Solution 8. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Launch it and go to the Drivers tab. Click on Check for updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. Now, relaunch No Man's Sky. The sound should be working properly. And that's it. One of these solutions should fix the sound issues in No Man's Sky. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.